school construction
Tomorrow is the last day.
That's great. And so are you guys. I mean, look at what we accomplished so far.
We definitely have accomplished a lot, both in building our physical construction project here and through building our character through ourselves. You know, now seems like a good time to recap the lesson bonus coins we've achieved and have been mastering along the way through the minigame activities.
That's a great idea. I'll start. So in level 1, before we can even begin building our foundation, Jesus' birth taught us to be humble.
And in level 2, when we had to build the frame without power tools, we learned that Jesus taught us to be
Obedient.
And let's not forget level 3, where there were temptations keeping us from...
Keeping us?
keeping me from staying on task. And we learned that Jesus taught us to be...
Faithful.
It is obvious that you gamers are learning these activities from Jesus. And now seems like a good time to move on to the next phase of our food pantry project. Now, let's get to work, guys. Come on.
See you later.
Oh, geez. You're not going to turn out your
No.
hand.
Where are my installers for today?
Nothing.
Oh, there you guys are. As you can see, the blueprints are already set out here for you.
Wait.
I trust that you two will have no problem with these next tasks. I'll be back in later to check in with your progress.
What's next?
Let's see.
But then why wouldn't the foreman decide that painting is low?
I don't know. That is strange.
Let me look at the task breakdown more closely. Foundation, check. Framing, check. Roofing, check. And then after a big red smudge, it's just painting and flooring.
It seems someone spilled one of my galaxy gushers on your blueprints.
Huh. Oh yeah, it looks like someone did. Kenobi!
Sorry. Don't worry.
The spray and light that should come right off.
Ah, perfect. That clearly says windows and doors.
Thank you so much. If you hadn't stopped us, we would have made a terrible mistake.
No trouble at all. Remember, may the faith be with you.
It was so nice of him to take the time to help us.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Healy. You did. Can you imagine a free pantry with no windows and doors? How would the 400 people get in or out?
Hey, this reminds me of a story about Jesus.
The Taste of Temptations guy reminded you of Jesus? He doesn't look like Jesus.
It was Lord's actions that reminded me of Jesus. You see, in this story, Jesus and his disciples were heading to the town of Maine looking for a place to rest.
Entering Bible story mode.
I think I know a friend that we can stay with.
Can we just stay at an inn or something? The last friend that we stayed with had just had too many... Thank you, Jesus. They just had too many cats.
Okay, I guess we can try and find our band.
Why did you stop? Oh.
That's pretty.
Game pause. What's going on?
It's a funeral. The woman's son has just died.
Wait a second. Where's the woman's husband?
He died a few years earlier.
Wait, so she just lost the last member of her family and now is left alone?
I'm afraid so.
That's so sad. I wish there was something I could do for her.
Jesus was thinking the exact same thing. And resume. Oh, my son. My son. I'm gonna be all alone. Thank you. You're too kind. Thank you.
Don't worry, all will be made right.
No real guy. That's fake.
Young man, I say to you, get up.
What's going on? Mom, why am I here? You're alive! It's a miracle! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus.
That's
Come on,
real.
let's get you home.
Did you see that? Jesus just brought the dead boy back to life. Jesus, I have a question.
No?
Okay, I will answer her question.
Are you sure, Jesus?
Yes, I will answer her question.
Jesus, why did you bring that dead boy back to life? Was it some sort of well-planned strategy to gain notoriety?
No, I simply come across a woman enduring a pain so great it was weighing down her heart and the hearts of those around her. So I called her son back for her.
Are you sure you don't have, like a family connection to the woman? Like a family friend, maybe?
No, we'd only just met.
Just met, but why would you help a complete stranger?
Because I care.
I'm not sure. Oh, wait, are you trying to tell our audience that we're supposed to care for more than just friends and family?
Well, think of it this way. You can't make friends without caring for a stranger.
I'm not sure I understand.
I was a stranger to Jesus at one time. So was I. I remember when we couldn't find any fish, and Jesus didn't even know us, and yet he came along and told us we could come across some.
He could have just kept walking, but he stayed and he helped us.
And we've been inseparable ever since.
That's truly inspiring. Wow. If you haven't found a place to stay with me, I should have here by ready my home.
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
Well, you heard it here first, folks. May Jesus' pure act of caring inspire us all today.
Concluding Bible story mode.
Oh, I see the connection now. The Tasty Temptations guy is like Jesus because he stopped and helped us. He didn't have to stop and help us, but he stopped and helped us because he cared.
Exactly.
You know what? I have another connection.
What would that be?
That caring is like windows and doors.
How is that?
Because in order to care for someone, you have to let them enter your heart.
That's so true.
You know what? I would like to do something nice for the Tasty Temptations guy to show that I care too. What if we got him a huge umbrella because he gets no shade over there?
That's a wonderful idea. We can do it tomorrow. But right now, we have to get started on those windows and doors.
Okay, but first, let's get things moving with the coup chant. Okay, repeat after me. Jesus taught us.
Jesus taught us
To be caring.
to be caring.
You can be louder than that. Come on. Jesus taught us.
Jesus taught
To be caring.
us to be caring.
One more time. Jesus taught us.
Jesus taught
To be caring.
us to be caring.
Level 4, Progress Saved. Lesson bonus coin sheet minigames. Downloading. Gamers await instruction.
Bye bye.